Having a healthy investment account requires the same amount of work as having a healthy, fit body. If you want to get to the Olympics, you have to put a plan in place. It takes hard work and good coaching. Being wealthy doesn't happen by luck either. At Brisbane Money Management, we have more than 50 years experience coaching people to their financial goals. It's never too soon to start. Start today.
Hi, I'm Connor Evans from Valleys Hockey Club. I'm here because T-Bone nominated me. He came second last year, so it's big shoes to fill, but if I can get that, I'll be happy with it. Because I can keep running while I do it.
To go. Oh, 15. Two,
I'm dizzy, eh?
1.
Really dizzy. I think I got a good score, so I'm happy with that.
Connor, you got a 5 and a 10 and a 15 for 30 points. The top score was by Corey with 45. How do you feel?
Bad. I wanted to win that. I had to put so much effort into it.
I'm pretty excited for this. Everyone's on 0 at the moment, so it's my chance to take this one. It's all about precision.
Go!
Oh. Oh, wow. That's woeful. Oh, I hate this sport.
Going for a second shot.
Oh. I'm just going to go back to hitting.
In 3,
Hitting works better. Hitting works better. Yes. I'm all talk, no game.
I feel it in my legs. Really feel it. It's pretty hard. It looks a lot easier on paper than it is doing it. When you're running through these markers, breathing's really an issue.
My overhead game's not that strong. Neither is the drinking one, but more luck than skill, more us than class.
Go!
Oh.
Still over.
Ah!
Edgy 5. Oh, gotta go back!
What?
You didn't get over that third one!
I did! You kidding?
Second one, Connor. Oh, just long.
It's rigged.
10.
Rigged against me.
3, 2, 1.
Ah! You had a review on that last one? That's crap.
All right, Connor, 5 points in that last challenge. You are contesting one of the calls.
This game's rigged. It's always, Valley's always on the bottom. That's how it always is. I'm probably 7th, I guess. East on top.
East on top. Well, you do have a total score of 35, so you're not on the bottom. I think you're...
I'm close to it though.
No, you're 3rd so far, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, that's a bit better than I thought. Still, it's either win or nothing. So I'm on nothing, I suppose.
It's your future. Let us help you shape it.